All right, this is kind of going to be hopefully a quicker video. I told you I was going to give you a demonstration or to show you something where you can see some differences for someone who is intoxicated. So this is what we're going to be looking at. So we have this individual. Like I said, as we go through the test, I'll kind of point some things out that I see. You should, I think a lot of you will see it fairly easily anyway. But once again, the first thing we're going to do, we already have them set up in the right, how we want them to be set up, positioned, however you want to word it. We have the stimuli, or stimulus in this case here. And then the first thing we need to do is basically just see if they have equal pupil size and resting nystagmus, which he does. Some people might say, oh, it's a little different, but it's basically the same, just lighting. So, okay, and then equal tracking. Do both eyes follow along? So we'll take it through here. Both eyes are following, and you can see some indications of other issues. So we've already done that. Lack of smooth pursuit. Now this is one that you will notice a little bit more. So something I want you to be aware of or be looking for, look for the little spots where you kind of see the eyes, like I said, either kind of bump up a little bit or have a real brief pause and then they kind of twitch to catch back up. So be looking for some of that. So test to the left. Just a little bit of kind of some, you can see some real short, real small, like if you would call them glitches. This isn't real bad, but you still see this, the nystagmus at some of the, you'll see a lot more on this next test because you can see indications of it. Even though the smooth pursuit, there were some places in it you could see the bumping or nystagmus. You will definitely notice it more whenever it goes to maximum deviation here. So once again, going to go left, and you're going to see these bouncing here. Kind of goes back and forth. Bouncing, yep. More noticeable on that one. You see how many times it's gone back or twitched in each one. You don't notice as much going to the left, but you do see it. The slight kind of, like I said, just going twitching. Yeah, it's definitely noticeable. Maximum deviation. Come here. Now you should be checking at onset of 45 or prior to 45, excuse me. So bring to the left until his eye probably gets right around in here. Okay. Not too bad, but you see it more so, a little bit more in the right eye, but you'll find out here in a second when they bring it back. Yep, you just saw a little twitch there. Same thing goes. Not really a smooth pursuit. Not bad there. But you start seeing at the end, you can see to where it was. The longer they had to hold it there, the more you're going to see at the very end. So see a little twitch there. Another one. So not terrible, but nonetheless, yeah, not ideal. So that being said, I just wanted to let you guys kind of look at that. Sorry, you're seeing some other stuff, but either way, that's all I really wanted. All I wanted to do is show you some different things to look for during HGN that would indicate that someone would be under the influence of alcohol or at least of a substance. Okay, so really basic. Just wanted to show you something from someone who was likely intoxicated, rather as opposed to the first example where she was not. So, all right, that takes care of that, and I will talk to you guys later, probably about actually doing the field sobriety test outside of HGN. So.